Hello children, welcome back to our science class. In previous class, we already learned what are the nutrients present in our food and how do they help us. In today's class, we are going to learn how do the food digested in our body and how do we preserve the food items. So children, let's learn with some pictures. We all know that food provides us energy, but the food we eat like rice, vegetables, fruits cannot be directly used by our body to get energy. The pieces of food are very big even after we chew. So, the food must be broken down into small pieces. Digestion takes place in so many steps. The definition of digestion: the breaking down of food into simpler and soluble form that can be absorbed by our body is known as digestion. There are several organs in the body that help in digestion like mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. This is the diagram of digestive system. Digestive system. Digestion starts in the mouth. As you know that when we eat food, we chew it into small pieces and swallow it. The food mixed with saliva produced by salivary glands contains digestive juices which makes our food moist, soft and easy to swallow. Then the food goes down through food pipe into stomach. Here the swallowed food turns into a fine paste and is broken down further. In stomach, protein digestion starts. After this, the digested food enters into small intestine. Here, the small intestine secretes some juices which help in further digestion. Here, the digested food is taken by the blood vessels and supplied to all parts of the body. The undigested food enters the large intestine and goes out of our body through anus. In this way, digestive system works. Points to remember for a proper digestion. Have meals at fixed time. Children, take your meals at proper time. Always wash your hands before and after meals. Eat a balanced diet. Take salads that contain roughage which helps in proper digestion. Chew the food well before swallowing it. We should not laugh or talk while eating. As we know, some foods are eaten raw. Raw means kacha, like fruits, vegetables, etc. They provide more minerals and vitamins than cooked food. So, before we using, we wash the fruits and vegetables. So, always wash fruits and vegetables before we eat. Why do we cook food? Cooking makes the food tasty and soft, which helps in digestion. To kill the germs present in food. Children, after cooking food, we should take care of this. Cook food properly so that it could be soft to eat and digest. Keep our food always covered and preserve the food properly. Food preservation. We should preserve the food properly. If we do not preserve properly, Germs will grow on it and spoil the food. To preserve the food, we use different types of methods. We can store the food in low temperatures. In the same way, we also store the food in airtight containers. By boiling also, we can store some food items like milk. Drying. Some vegetables are dried and preserved and are used in off seasons. As they dried, so germs are unable to grow on it. In this way, we can save from spoilage. Food can be stored by adding certain chemicals known as preservatives. So, to make pickles, we commonly add salt as preservative. Salt and oil are used for making pickles with vegetables like cauliflower, raw mango, lemon, etc. Adding excess sugar to make jams. In this way, we can store the food items like fruits. Junk food. Junk food is a quick and easily prepared food, but it has less nutrients. So children, we should not eat junk food regularly. So children, I hope you understood this topic very well. Read the lesson twice and we will meet in the next video with new lesson. Till then, take care. Bye.